Hello mga kadira! Welcome back to my 7th vlog. And yes, it's me again, ang ate mo, ang auntie mo, and ang ajuma nyo, ate Adira. Siyempre, kada gala, i-vlog natin yan kasi nga naman, every happening in our life, worth remembering. Kapag tumanda ka, babalikan mo lang tong mga simpleng moment at masasabi mo, wow, ang dami ko na palang nakain. No joke. Wow, sabi ko parang ang dami na palang mga challenge na nalampasan and ito ako, maganda at paganda pa rin ang lola nyo. Ang mga kasama ko today, ang mga girdle of wisdom and good vibes, sa Ate Jeannie, Ate Riza, and Ate Rara. Mga pang-manager na pang-matured pa. At ako, I'm so happy to say, belong ako dito. Success doesn't always shout, minsan tahimik ang pag-angat. Kahit chill lang kami, pang-level up na rin ang growth ng tropang to. And you know, ang ganda din namin. So, your father who sees what is done in secret will reward you. Okay, mga beshi, review time. So, pumunta kami dito sa Intra Cafe, somewhere in Intramuros. So, nagkape kami dito. Yung cheesy pasta, medyo maalat pero masarap pa rin naman. Pero ito lang masasabi ko, alat man siya, may lasa pa rin. Di tulad ng ex mong walang direction. About naman sa french fries, yung parang luma yung mantika na ginamit. Pero carry na masarap naman. Medyo matigas lang talaga siya pero ang chika, crispy, juicy, spicy. Yung tipong hindi mo na napapansin ng oras kasi enjoy kayo. At sabi nga nila, hindi mo kailangan ng maraming tao para sumaya, kailangan mo lang ng tamang tao. Two are better than one. If either of them falls, one can help the others up. So, gusto ko lang i-remind kayo, kadiras, huwag matakot maniwala ulit. Yes, nasaktan ka noon, na-burn out ka, na-disappoint ka, umiyak ka, pero hindi doon natatapos ang story mo. God is not done with you yet. I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. Healing may take time and that's okay. God's delay is not God's denial. He makes everything beautiful in its time. So kung ikaw to ngayon, nahihirapan, nalilito, napapagod, nagugutom, etc., you are never alone. The Lord is close to the broken-hearted and save those who are crushed in spirit. Kadiras, life is not about perfection, but progress, presence, and purpose. So, vlog every moment, treasure your people, and most of all, let God write your story. Surround yourself with people who feel like peace, not pressure. This has been your Ate Kadira reminding you to love louder, love deeper, and live wiser. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and tag your work friends na deserve mo sa life. See you sa next gala, next vlog, next kwento.